Okay, I am starting this video a little early. It looks like we got it as best as I can get it. Again, tech people, please help me. If you have any ideas so I can get this on the screen, I'm going to be knocking these out. As you can see, I can go on forever about them, so it's no big deal. I can do these several times a day. Not a big thing for me. Can't wait to be doing Cyberpunk and more. Got Fallout 76 too, and I haven't played it much because getting people together on that, it's going to be hilarious. We can hear them talk. It's going to be fun. Anyway, we can get back here. I done wasted a minute of my 10, and you ain't even seen the girls yet. We're going to pick up where we left off, right where we ever get there. But, come on. You have the sound system in. I'm really proud of the sound of this on my computer. Even through the same speakers, it don't sound the same. Sorry that it's drifting. Dang, can I fix it? And I turned it up. There's always an outtake if that's the case. I think I got it now. I think I got it. Maybe a little better even. Because it's going to be sliding up there slowly because this is a tripod I will replace as soon as I possibly can. Perfect timing though. We got to the point I enter screen. It says please stand by. Please. You can sit there for an hour. It ain't going to go nowhere. If you've never played this, you probably pick it up for $10 somewhere. Brand new. Of course, a digital download, I don't know. You can check on Steam. That's why I play it. Ain't no multiplayer, but we might get a crew together. Occasionally, I don't have a lot of time. I'd love to get a crew of people that actually work together, plan together on 76. Now, this is where we left Deli. Let's take her stuff here. We got to get rid of some hats, baby. First of all, let's talk about your inventory.
Sure.
Yeah, of course. I love her in that way, man. She will. I want to see you in the road. I want your outfit. We're just going to take all these. We'll get to it later. I know I'll just have to stumble back home. Thank goodness it ain't their fault. No hats. Throw you in a park stroller. We're going to hold the relax weather later. We ain't got time. Maybe the spring. I'll hold it and think about it. Rate of paint stripes good. We eventually going to get there, but not in this one. The next one, I'm going to try and experiment. Anyway, what you going to do? There you go. Now that's one of her dance outfits. I can never remember the name. There's so many outfits. And if you want to Deli is, what do they call it? She's basically what the pirates and stuff used to put into games that made everybody mad. I meant to research this. I will later. But there was a day that it happened. Now, let's talk about the Consortium Collegium Magica. Pope is a helpless fundamentalist. Yes, Baptist still exists.
Wow.
In 2277.
Gonna share some of them spoils?
And she's that way.
You're so rich, I bet you buy a new boat when the other one gets wet.
She's got a smart mouth. There you go, honey. That's all you're going to get. You keep your pendant. I want that bonnet. You're going to go in your chain prostitute. You're going to stay there. I do know that this is not X-rated. I'm concerned, let's say, about putting it up to kids. Yeah, sorry, this is going to go with adults. Since we're going adult already, I'm going to get y'all both in the suit well. Try to at least get some angles. Let's see here. What we're going to do. Going in here.
Sure.
Yep, Delilah. No, your weapons. What are you doing with the blast knife? I had to get that. I want to see you in the ropes. Keep the necklace. I'm going to take everything. Got it. Got it. I know you're going to pick. Oh, this is your cheap surgeon outfit. I bought you. Hey, exit. Let's see what you're going to wear. Oh, you look hot in the robes, baby. I do like that. Let me throw on my robes with you. This only takes a second because I don't have to guess on what they're going to wear. I know what I'm going to wear. Where's Brotherhood? I am a Brotherhood elder. I know I'm overcoming again on the shit. Oh, I got to get my help. Oh, okay, wrong button. There we go. Hi, Deli. Another thing, tech people, I cannot do a screenshot.
Just remember to keep hope alive.
Come on. I tried.
You don't think that was funny?
Did it work? Okay, I can't find them. Just go into a new file, and you have to go through all them files to find it. Anyway, that's oh, let me get me out of that stuff. Okay. I don't need that. Yeah. Come here. Yeah. We need to do this, get the cookie shoes, get that combat helmet off, let them see your beautiful face like I looked like maybe 20 years ago. And there we are. And that was about a height difference too, me and Sara. And she was supposed to go with Deli here, Delilah. Well, I call her Deli. Her friends do. You're a enemy. And she might talk to you about this. If you don't call her Deli without a smile on your face, usually she reserves that to me. She's just that way. And see, the thing about Sara here is Sara is a tribal. She's not a Christian. She's a pagan. I mean, well, she's probably atheistic like I am. I mean, she don't care. It's like, if it's fun or if it's necessary, I'm going to do it. I'm just going to go do it. Oh, baby. And that's how I will. Oh, look at those tats, y'all. Ooh, look at that tat. Look where that tat is. Oh, man. Man, you make me so excited. And you just look so sweet and innocent in the process. And the way you look at me, girl, let's talk right there. Oh, yeah. Now, there ain't no slippage. Now, I don't know. You've seen stuff like this in YouTube before. I ain't gonna make it for kids, so I ain't gonna put no restrictions on it, but it will not be for kids. Anyway, if we were shooting, let's get a shot here. I would have to back up like this. Come on, girls. Come on to daddy. Do what you're supposed to. Oh, we can. No, Hope. Jeez, girl. Done messed up my shot. Let's try this the other way. Just for a minute. By the way, that was where I was when I made those first
We might be able to find some Nevada agave around here.
Oh, don't. God. Oh. One more time. Okay, you're staying on my butt, right? Oops, there you go. Oh, how's that? No, come here, Hope. Hope, come on. See, Deli ain't even coming. Whoa, stop right there. Stop. Close enough, right? Oh, Hope. That Hope chest looks so awesome. It really did. Too bad you won't take your clothes off in front of me. You will put on, that's one of her performance suits. Oh, this is that personal suit. You got yours, baby. You will wear that.
No problem.
Yeah.
I was never one for traveling light.
It's no problem unless it crosses the line of your strict, bizarre, moral, high ground stuff. I mean, really, I'm gonna let you choose that. You can go naked, pushing up in the naked. Look at these girls. Oh man. Wouldn't you love to run around with two of them throughout this wasteland desert? Now we got a place now. Oh, what yet? That is distracted. That's what I was when I stood up by the model and took the original movies with this camera, very good camera. I didn't know what I was doing. Didn't have the date on it. Didn't have the sound because I had the helmet on it. And I don't know how you're supposed to get the sound with that. Anyway, we're going to end this right here. Was there any other CM statements I wanted to make? I just wanted to really express home, and you will see this if you play the game. Hope, I don't know. Hope was a download too. What do they call these pirate things nowadays? These are mods. These are called modders, I do believe still. They might have new names. I cannot find this guy, or these guys that was made by several people. I'd love to find them and give them credit for them in the Tales Adventures. Of course, one thing that we do have to look at as if we do business. Now, this is educational. Legally, I'm supposed to be able to use it. However, I ain't going to argue if they say, look, your stuff's just too sexy for us. We ain't going to let you do that. One thing I do want to do, if I have a minute to do, let's get her in her skivvies. Now, this is how...
Wow.
Yeah.
Gonna share some of them spoils? You're so rich, I bet you buy a new boat when the other one gets wet.
New jokes. You really got to learn new jokes, really. Now, actually, she looked better than the other one, right? But that's as low as she goes. And when she does me, now she will do me. She will do me. She's done doing her running for me. Devil taking care of that for everybody. We do our pagan fertility rites whenever we want to. But yeah, she's on birth control too. We don't worry about no kids putting them in this mess. Like I wouldn't do my entire life once I had this all figured out. Anyway, I think we ran out of time. We're coming close. So I'm going to call it right here. And I am likely soon to do something that's going to be not safe for work, particularly with Deli. I ain't going to do no threesomes with them yet. In fact, Deli's still my preferred, but as I see it, she seems to be mad at me, and she seems to be pushing hope off on me. And I don't like that. I mean, I wish she'd talk to me like she used to. Anyway, that's the story for right now. And that's how it all ties into the tales, because it's always about freedom of thought versus ideology of any kind.